So my name is Tanguy. I'm 25 years old, and I'm racing this car in Tour de Corse Historique 2025. Big fan and big passionate of Porsche, because my family is in the business since a long time. And so for me it's a really important week. The Tour de Corse Historique is the biggest event you have for racing, rally racing, because you have track racing, but rally racing is different. And Tour de Corse is really special because you're moving every day, and it's a pretty crazy event. So I was born in a family in which rally and Porsche was a passion, a dedication. So my grandfather used to race for more than 60 years. He's building Porsche. My family is still building Porsche. So I was born, I'm 25 now. And the last 25 years of my life, I just did every single day between Porsche and rally. So this is an SC Group 4 from 1979. So it's a 3.0. So it's a rally car. So you have the rally specification. So the car is pretty light. You have it's 950 kilos for 300 horsepower. 5 gearbox with synchro, no G50, it's synchro, 915. And so it's a Group 4, so we have Group 4 specification. And that's it. It's from 1979, and yeah, looking good. So the car is completely new. So we have some other racing car, but we decided to build this one this year for the Tour de Corse, because you have the handbrake on this one, on the SC specification, and that's why we decided to build it. And because also the SC Group 4 is a big rally heritage for Porsche, and Monte Carlo and everything. The SC Group 4 is known for that, so that's why we decided to build the car. Since 1964, first it was the father of my grandfather, then my grandfather, and now my mom, my dad, and my grandfather, of course with some employee. And so they started with the Alpine at the time, and they moved on to Porsche in 1975. Sorry, so 50 years ago. And so we're building Porsche, classic Porsche, for track, to race, backdating and classic, and also some small details. But that's what they're doing every day. But we are more specificated in the rally and track, race car, mostly race car, from 9111 to 935, and we had the chance to have a lot of crazy and good cars at the workshop. So you guys help us a lot because you have really good parts, and we decided to do the Tour de Corse this year because we were looking for partners with a big passion. And Design 911, they have a crazy passion about Porsche. And that's why when we first meet up, it was a really good meeting. We discussed about Porsche, the piece that they have, the shirts, the goodies, everything. And that's how it went, and that's how we decided to do something together. But of course, I would recommend them because they're doing really good jobs. Rally is pretty complicated because it's not like a track. In track you have a paddock and you just stay and you wait for the car. In rally, you're moving. You're following the car, so you have to be at the entry of the stage, and then when we get out. So you need a lot of people. You need at least 2 or 3 trucks, and especially in Corsica. Corsica is known for that, because we can race like at the time. So we're doing service between each stage, which is not always something that we can do. And so you need a lot of people, passionate people with a lot of knowledge, because you have to fix the car every single day after each stage, and then at night you have 3 hours to correct if you have any issues, or just to change the tires, and to go and race again tomorrow. You need to have a car which has a lot of endurance, because the stages are really long. You're racing between 25 to 30 kilometers full power in some crazy roads. Sometimes they're completely destroyed, sometimes pretty good. So the Porsche is really good for that, because the Porsche is something that has not that much issue, I would say. You always have something. The gearbox is a bit tough sometimes, but first a good car, and then a really good people to maintain the car in life. because if you don't have someone to fix the car, it will be really, really tough. So this one will be the last of the year because it's a big, big event. In this rally, it's like you're doing one rally, which equals to 3 rally normally. So you're racing like 3 times more than normally. So it's a big, big event. The car has to be prepared for it, and after it, you will need a full mechanic. And so it will be done for this year, and then we will move on to 2026. And as we did this year, we raced in European Championship Historique and some French Championship Historique. And I think we will do the same, and maybe some, of course, some crazy event like Tour de Corse, and maybe Maroc Historique, which is a crazy rally in Morocco. Thank you very much.